Hi, I'm Clara from Holy Heroes, and I am very excited to introduce our new and limited time first Holy Communion gift boxes. This is the first time we've ever done this, and we have a limited supply, but we are so excited to bring these gift boxes to 2022 First Communicants. This box comes beautifully packaged, especially if you live far away and aren't going to be able to attend to First Communion. You can just get this box and have it shipped right to their door, and it's a beautiful gift, already wrapped for them. Let me show you what's inside really quick. So the first thing is the classic missal, but this is a special missal because it not only includes the missal portion on this side, if you flip it over, it also has the best loved Catholic prayers for your first communicant to learn. So that's the first thing. Then we also have the Holy Heroes Inside the Sacraments Holy Eucharist DVD. This is a really fun movie for kids to watch, and it shows them the biblical roots of the Eucharist, beginning in the Old Testament and walking through to the New Testament, and it includes some of the most popular Holy Eucharist miracles. So really important for kids to know and really fun for them to watch. So that's the second thing. We also include our best-selling Catholic Name It game. This includes cards with 57 Catholic objects and symbols for kids to learn, and we specifically included this in the box because the things we include are great for first communicants, but for the missal, they have to wait for the next mass they go to use it, and the DVD, they'd have to wait for an opportunity to watch it. But this, they can open the box and pull it out and start playing it immediately. And if they're having a first communion party, this is a really fun thing for them to play with their friends. So this is the best-selling Name It game. That's also included. Then we are also having the Blessed Carlo Acutis Glory Story. Catholic families love our glory stories, but we have gotten a special response to this new glory story that came out. This was actually written with the help of Carlo's mom. So it's really special, it's really true to his life, and Blessed Carlo's devotion to the Eucharist is incredibly inspiring, and we're really excited to give it to First Communicants this year. So that will also be included. Then we are going to have our Holy Heroes Spiritual Journal. I'm not going to talk too much about this, but I'm going to link a video below where you can watch my last video that I did on all the important aspects of the spiritual journal. We're also going to have a prayer card included. This Holy Eucharist prayer card, they can, use it with the journal. They can use it as a bookmark. So this is really sweet. We're going to include that as well. And finally, we are very excited that our friend Lindsay from Just Love Prince is going to let us include her Holy Communion sticker sheet. These are 10 stickers. They are dishwasher safe. They are weatherproof, really fun. They can stick them on a water bottle. They can put them on their spiritual journal. So this sticker sheet will also be included. So with all 7 of these products, it's almost $100 worth of First Communion gifts, beautifully packaged at a discount rate in our first Holy Communion gift box. They are very limited quantities, so if you have a child, a godchild, a grandchild, a friend's child who is receiving their First Communion this year, this is a beautiful box to get. So check it out below.